This was me before, and this is what I look now. I had a sebaceous cyst from childhood, which I got operated just before COVID. And after that operation, I had a huge hair loss. And after that, I had a worst situation. I had different plans of should I go for a hair wig or should I go for a hair transplant. Then I decided, no, I should have my very own hairs. So I should prefer hair transplant. And after having a good research, I found a La Densitae with a good Google review. So after coming over here and having a discussion with doctor and going on to the treatment process, they only told me to have trust in them, have patience, follow what they say, have a good diet so that you get a good result. Because of this good result, it has boosted me, it has given me a confidence to go out, sit with my friends. It has given me like a new life. The only thing I can say, I am very happy with my good results and thanks to every member of La Densitae.